In this video, I will show you how to set up AT&T prepaid phones. So first, to set up an AT&T prepaid phone, you will need the phone, an AT&T prepaid SIM card or eSIM, and an active prepaid plan. So the first thing that you'll need to do is basically go and insert your SIM card. Just go and insert the AT&T prepaid SIM card into the phone, and if you're using an eSIM, have the activation code ready. And then just go and turn on your phone. So hold your power button and wait for the phone to basically start. Follow the initial setup screen, like choose your language, enter your email, and all those stuff like your Wi-Fi and all those things. Then you'll have to activate your service. You can activate it online at AT&T prepaid activation page. You can just go and type AT&T prepaid activation page on any browser and you will find yourself in this page. So here you will typically need your SAIM or SIM number or ICC ID, and you will need also the IMEI number of the phone, the zip code, and selected prepaid plan. So during the activation, you will select the plan that you want and complete the payment if required, and also confirm the activation details. Of course, after the activation, you can connect to the Wi-Fi and sign into your Google or Apple account and restore the contacts and data if desired and if you have it saved in the cloud. Then once the activation completes, you can make an example a test call to see if it's working. You can also send a text message and open a website using your mobile data, and this will confirm the phone is activated or not. And of course, if you are an eSIM user, you may need to scan a QR code provided by AT&T to activate it if you don't have a SIM, if you're using an eSIM instead of a physical SIM card. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.